The sea roared beneath a sky heavy with destiny. Abraha's troops were busy loading ammunition and elephants as mounts to attack the Kaaba. On their deck stood Abraha al-Ashram, ruler of Yemen, his armor gleaming, his gaze fixed on the horizon. Behind him, an army unlike any the Arabian Peninsula had ever seen.
Get 4 cubits. Reel it in. All hands. Away. Chain running. Ramp down. Keep that line taut. First cohort, disembark.
Massive ships cut through the waves, their sails stretched wide by the desert wind. Thousands of soldiers, banners snapping in the wind. And among them, elephants, giants of flesh and bone, chained, armored, unstoppable. War drums echoing like thunder across the sea.
Easy, great one.
The ships reached land.
Hold the line! Keep 'em moving! Form ranks on the sand. Shields high! Shields high! Second wave to the surf! Keep the elephants in collar! Second wave! Forward! Forward!
The army disembarked.
Warriors of the south! Today, the city falls!
From the shores of Arabia, the march began. The ground trembled beneath the weight of the elephants. Each step crushed stone and sand alike. At the head of the march walked Mahmud, the greatest of the elephants, his tusks towering, his body clad in iron and war cloth.